As we wind down the current calendar year, let's have a look at how the financial markets or indices have performed within the Indian equity space. Starting off with the volatility index, of course, we had the big fall that we encountered in the month of March. But post that, it has been a stellar recovery, and the Nifty has also managed to scale back to its lifetime high levels. But amidst all of this, the volatility index, which is the India VIX, that's been higher by about 80% so far this year. As has been the trend for this entire year, you've had outperformance that has come about from the IT as well as the pharma space. Both of these indices have surged more than 50% for this calendar year. And towards the end of the year, it was the broader market space which actually came off on its own. More than 20% return for both the small and the mid cap index as well. Like I was telling you, the Nifty has had a stellar recovery from its March lows and currently sitting with a gain of more than double digit for 2020 at almost 14,000 points. What's not done well has been the banking space, because it is yet to achieve positive territory in 2020, still down about 3% on a YTD basis, and about 3 to 5% off from its lifetime high level as well. The other space that has not performed well has been the PSU basket. The Nifty PSE index is down about 14% for the year, while you have the Nifty PSU Bank index, which has declined about 30% for this year, with the other being the Nifty Media index that has also lost double digit for itself. But there's been a lot of stock specific action, and especially from the large cap names. If you have a look at some of the Nifty gainers, Divi's Laboratories is the only stock in the Nifty that has doubled for itself in 2020. Some of the other pharma names include Dr. Reddy's as well as Cipla that have surged more than 70% for this year. Then you have IT names like Infosys and HCL Tech, which have also surged about 60 to 70% for this year. And then you have Wipro along with Asian Paints, which have also managed to return more than 50% to their shareholders for 2020. On the flip side, if you have a look at the losers, a lot of them belong to the PSU basket. So you have Coal India that has declined about 36%, ONGC down 28%, Indian Oil Corporation about 27% negative return, and BPCL also declining more than 20% for this year. As far as mid-cap gainers are concerned, you have a lot of stocks that have more than doubled for themselves. Navin Fluorine, for instance, has been the top gainer, 160% return for this year. And then you have Adani Enterprises along with Adani Gas that has also surged more than 130%, while you have Mindtree as well as Escorts, which has also managed to double in this year. As far as losers are concerned from the mid-cap space, a lot of financial names, mid-tier financial names, I would say, appear in this list. Yes Bank, Canara Bank, Union Bank, Edelweiss Financial Services, and RBL Bank feature in the top 5 list as well. But I tell you what, this year has been a lot of multi-baggers that we've had at hand. So some of the reasonable market cap names, along with more than 10,000 shares of average volume this year. You have Tanla Platforms that has been a 10 bagger for this year. Alok Industries along with Borosil Renewables has surged more than 7 times for this year. Adani Green from the large cap space has seen a whopping 6 times return for this year. ACG Networks, which has been surged about more than 5 times, while you have some of the other names like Aarti Drugs, Lotus Labs, Subex as well as Suven Life Sciences, which have surged about 4.5 to 5 times each.